Hello everyone, this is Joseph from Monty's Locksmith, and today we made a key for another Sea-Doo. This is a learning key, the green one. There's also a yellow key. We made the yellow one, the normal, to the green Sea-Doo, and we made the learning one for this Sea-Doo. This one is an RXP-X 2023, and the other one as well. And this is how it works. You're gonna put it in a stick right here. Then you wanna right up. If you guys need any key made for a vehicle or for Sea-Doo motorcycles, please give us a call at 647-850-7156. Hello everyone, this is Joseph from Monty's Locksmith, and today we worked on RXP-X 2023. We made two keys for these two Sea-Doos from scratch, no keys. Alright, so we made the learning key and the normal key, the yellow, both fully functional dealer keys. If you guys need any key or Sea-Doos, give us a call at 647-850-7156. Thanks.